Hi, I hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Language Broker English Lessons. Let's listen to a short story in English. Do not translate, just listen. It is a rainy day. Tom looks out the window. The sky is gray. The rain is soft but steady. Tom feels bored. He drinks tea. He watches TV. He sighs. Ah, I want to go outside, he says. Suddenly, he gets a message. It's from Anna. Let's go for a walk. Bring your umbrella, she says. Tom smiles. He puts on his coat. He takes his umbrella. He walks outside. Anna is waiting at the corner. She has her umbrella too. Hi, Tom, she says. Hi, Anna, he says. They start walking together. The rain falls gently. The streets are quiet. They talk and laugh. Where are we going? Tom asks. You'll see, Anna says. After 10 minutes, they stop in front of a cafe. They go inside. The smell of coffee and chocolate fills the air. They sit by the window. They take off their wet coats. I love this place, Tom says. I come here on rainy days, Anna says. They both order hot chocolate. It is warm and sweet. Outside, the rain still falls. But inside, they feel cozy and happy. Rainy days aren't so bad, Tom says. Anna smiles. Not when you have good company. The end. Great job listening. Now practice, practice, practice. Go back and listen again to see if you hear any familiar words. For right now, thank you for watching. Please click like, click subscribe. Go to the next lesson. Have a great and wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.